Another feature is the forums. So we can create a forum. There. The other see that there's a forum. So in that case, only Alonso sees it because he's connected directly to Max. So he subscribes and he can see it here. And let's send a message. We can use Markdown formatting for example, if you want to have that one as bold, you can put links, images, quote some text. We send the message and we can see that Alonso received it right here. And now that Alonso is subscribed, he will advertise that forum and George sees it as well. He can also subscribe and the message will arrive. Message received and George receives it as well. And they all receive and can participate in messages.